Yes, I've had the Sony a7 IV rented for 2 days now, and it's a fantastic camera. But what really stole the show is the Sony 15mm f1.4 G lens. It is reasonably priced at $650. It is light and compact, but not cheap feeling. It is razor sharp, and most importantly, it is a completely silent autofocusing lens. And to me, that's of utmost importance for a vlogging camera like this, because the last thing you want to hear, well, if it's you recording yourself for a vlog, or if you're recording someone else and you're relying on autofocus, hearing that tick, 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 tick sound is pretty unusable to me. And by this, I mean I rented the 16mm Fuji 1.4 RWR lens the other day, and it was so loud it drove me nuts. I mean, it didn't really get picked up by the microphone in a situation like this, but it was just that much harder to concentrate while recording your blog.